I'm delighted to announce that we have a brand new feature on our website, www.wave-bef.com. And this one is especially attractive for Lean Six Sigma project managers. It has been also requested from our students that they would like to have a Six Sigma calculator, and therefore we have this feature for free to your disposal. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is to enter your number of opportunities that you have in your process. You enter the number of defects in the process, then you select Calculate, and you obtain the results on the right side, which is your defects per million opportunities, your defects in percentage, your yield in percentage, and your sigma value, which will give you your process performance. And we already calculated the 1.5 sigma shift. Now I will show you where to find the calculator on our website and how to use it. We go straight to www.wave-bef.com. And here we are on the website from Wave Business Excellence Footprint, and you have two options to get to the Six Sigma calculator. Either you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the homepage and you arrive to the calculator right there, or here on the left you have a box with three icons: the contact, the Six Sigma calculator, and the third icon is the tool vault. If you want to go to any other area of the website, for example on the about page, and look around, or if you are under the projects page, then you will always find on the left side that icon to go straight to the calculator. So let's click here on Six Sigma calculator, and it's going to then take us to the home page and scroll down automatically all the way to the calculator, where we are able to input the number of opportunities that we have in the process. For example, if we have a process that runs 125 times per month, then we type in here 125 opportunities. And from those 125, we have, let's say, 4 mistakes per month. We type in the 4. We click on Calculate, and we receive here on the right-hand side our defects per million opportunities, which is 32,000. We receive a defect rate of 3.2%. The yield, which is everything that runs well, is 96.8%, and we have a process sigma level of 1.73 sigma. And here, as mentioned before, we have the 1.5 sigma shift already included in the calculation. And that's how easy it is to use the Six Sigma calculator on our website in a couple of clicks. I hope you will enjoy using this feature of the calculator, and it's especially attractive because if you are doing your projects and you want to calculate your process performance, then you do not have to go to any statistical software. All you need to do, just go into the website and you will get the results in a couple of clicks. Enjoy!